Mali ka, Alvin. Mali ka. Ibaba mo ng konti. Neo. 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 Taasan mo dito, banda. Neo. Mali ka. At saka na natin gawin yan. Kaibigan, tara, usap tayo. ...1986, Cebu Pop Music Festival Grand Winner and Best Interpreter, Miss Vina Morales.
Tayo o kadilipan sa imong pag-agak ka na mo. Tuyo sa kalitasan nga kami unungan ning kalibutan. Among paninguhapon nga kami magmapuslangon. Busa ikaw higala ang among paglaom ning kinabuhi. Kaming mga kabataan paglaom sa kanan.
2006 First Philippine Idol Grand Winner, Mau Marcelo.
And I am not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I gotta keep it real. You know, it's time for me to do this on my own.
2004 Star in a Million Grand Champion, Frenchie D.
Walk through the fire, walk through the raging storm, till I found the peace that's inside of me. I want to be strong, stand for my dreams. I was blessed by the storm. Take me as I am, all of them at all. I keep holding on, raindrops will fall.
2003 Grand Winner for Star for a Night, Sarah Geronimo.
I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. Can't you see I give you everything you need? Let me be the one to love you more. Be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you
Good morning! Mabuhay! Kaibigan, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Frenchie, good morning. Vina, Sarah, Mau. Welcome to Homeboy. Isang mayaman at masayang umaga. Kaibigan, Kwentuhan at kantahan tungkol sa ating mga pangarap ang magaganap ngayong umaga. Kumusta ka, kaibigan? Dapat masaya. Kaibigan, dito sa Homeboy, tuloy po kayo.